Good morning to all my students. As you all know that I am your computer teacher. Today again I am going to continue the explanation of the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, cloud computing, and hope the explanation will be completed today only.
Okay, as you know that I'm already started the explanation of chapter number 9, that is cloud computing, and I've already completed till disadvantages of cloud computing. So today's first topic is OneDrive. What is OneDrive? OneDrive is also a free storage facility, and it is offered by which company? That is the Microsoft. Okay, even OneDrive provide one more security to your data, that is the password security. Okay, when you type down your correct user id and password, then only your OneDrive will be open and you can save anything inside your OneDrive. Okay, Microsoft offers 5 GB free storage space to all the OneDrive users. Okay, if you need above 5 GB, so you have to pay for that. Okay, and what is GB? That is a gigabyte. Okay, now your next topic is what? Assessing OneDrive. What is assessing? Assessing is use, how you can able to use OneDrive. So if you want to use OneDrive, firstly you have to create your account where? Microsoft. Then you have to create your account where? OneDrive, and then only you can able to access or use your OneDrive. Okay, so how you can able to create your account in OneDrive? So first see the steps how we can able to create your account OneDrive. First, on the address bar, you have to write what? That is a onedrive.com. Then you click enter, your OneDrive will open. Okay, this is the home page of the OneDrive. Okay, so after that you will see that at the bottom you have what? That is a sign up for free. You have to click here. Okay, when you click here you will see that your how you can able to create your OneDrive account. That page will be open. Now you have to fill that page. Okay, after filling that page you have to see that your user id and password will be created. Okay, then one verification code will be sent your mail id. Okay, you have to type that verification code to your OneDrive account. Okay, when it will be matched, your OneDrive account will be open. In this way you can able to create your OneDrive account. Now your next topic is your OneDrive interface. This is the interface of OneDrive. Okay, what is the interface? How your OneDrive account looks. Okay, as you see that there's so many labelings are there. They are the components of the OneDrive. First I have to explain these components. Okay, the first component is what? Skype button. What is a Skype button? Skype button is that with the help of the Skype button you can able to do video calls and voice calls, those who are in your contact list. Okay, now your next button is what? Notification button. As you know that the bell icon tells you that is your notification button. Okay, what is notification? Notification is a type of message or symbol that appears when applications want you to pay attention. Okay, it's very easy to say that. For example, if you have your mail account and if you receive one mail, as you know that it automatically give you one notification to you that you are receiving one mail. So that is a notification. Okay, now your next button is what? That is your OneDrive setting. Okay, so when you click on setting button of OneDrive, what the options they were providing, that you can upgrade your storage plan or you can change the language of your OneDrive. Okay, now the next button is what? Your help button. That question. Okay, if you have any problem related to OneDrive, so you can click on the help button. You see that there are various by default questions are there. If your problems matched with that by default questions, you click on that, you see that the answers are provided there, your solutions are provided there. If your questions are different from that, so in there's one box is there, you type down your question and you type down your question, put enter, and then what will happen? Within an hour or maximum for one day they can provide the solution of your question. That is the help button. Okay, now you have the next button, that is your short button. Okay, what is a short button? Short button is that whatever the files or folders you can save, it can be saved in an organized way, either in the name or date or in the size. For example, as you know that in your school, every class teachers have the attendance register, and inside the attendance register the students names are there. The students names always organized in the form of alphabetical orders, that is called as a short form. Okay, now your next button is what? That is the view button. Okay, what is the view button? Whatever the files or folders you have saved inside the OneDrive, it by default looks like a tile. It looks like a tile, and if you want to change the view of that, how you can able to change? With the help of list view or the photos view. Okay, what is the list view? Only the names of your files and folders will be shown. And what is the photo view? The photos of the files and folders will be shown. Okay, by default, how your files and folders will be shown like this. Okay, now you have one more button, that is your search bar. Okay, the search bar, here it is there, the search bar. Okay, whatever the files and folders are there, if you want to open any one of them, so you have to write the file and folders name here and put enter. Automatically you will see that that file or folder will be selected. You click there and your file and folder will be open. That is your search bar. Okay, now the next button is that is your left pane. This is called as a left pane. What is the pane? That is a window. Inside the left pane you see that there's one option, that is file. You click on the file, all your files will be shown. Afterwards you have recent, photos, shared, recycled bins. All these options are provided where? Inside the file pane. Okay, so this is your OneDrive interface. Okay, now your next topic is that how you can upload your files or folders on OneDrive. Uploading is what? How you can save your things where? Inside your OneDrive. So how? First you have to click where? On the upload button. First you have to click where? On the upload button. Okay, when you click on the upload button, you see that you have two options, files or folder. You have to select any one of them. If you select file, you see that automatically whatever the gadgets you are using, for example you're using your computer, so when you click file, you see that it automatically goes where? On your files options. Okay, and all the files will be shown there. Okay, so you will select any of the file. When you select that any of the file, you see that one open dialog box will appear, and inside at the bottom of there you have your open button. You click there. When you click there, you see that that particular file will be uploaded within a few seconds, and it will be reflected where? On your OneDrive. Okay, in this way you can able to upload your files where? In your OneDrive. Okay, now your next topic is that creating a files on OneDrive. Okay, how you can able to create your own file inside the OneDrive. For example, if you're using your laptop and you want to write any application, so how you can able to write down an application? You have to open what? Your Microsoft Word, and then you have to write down your application and you save it. Okay, in this way you can create your file. So now you have to create your file where? Inside your OneDrive. How you can able to create your file inside your OneDrive? Let's see that. So this is your OneDrive homepage. So you have to click where? New option. When you click on the new option, you see that various documents will be shown there. Okay, you have to select any one of them. For example, I have select which one? That is the Word document. When you click on the Word document, you see that your Word document will open. You write down each and everything, and after that you save the thing. Okay, and even there were so many tools are there. With the help of tools you can able to decorate your Word document also. Then you save that thing, and automatically you will see that that file should be saved where? Inside your OneDrive. In this way you can able to create your files inside the OneDrive. Okay, now the next topic is what? That is sharing files. What is sharing file? Sharing file is that if you want to send any files to other users, so how you can able to do? With the help of OneDrive. Okay, so they told that you can share your files in two forms, either an individual file, you can send your file individual, or a folder containing your file. As you know that inside the folders there were files are there. Okay, so they will give you two permissions. You can share your file individual file, or you can share the folder also. So how you can able to do this? See, here these two files are shown. Okay, first you have to move your mouse at the top of any one of the file. For example, I have to share this file. Okay, I have to share this file. First I have to move where? At the top of this file. Okay, when you move at the top of the file, you see that one checkbox is there, one checkbox is there. Okay, one circle box is there, and you have to click on that circle. Okay, when you click on that circle, you see that it will be selected and that tick will be happen. Okay, when you do that, that file will be selected. Okay, afterwards what will happen, it will um, when you do that, it will provide one share option. Okay, when you click on the share option, then when you click on the share option, then what will happen, one pop-up box will appear and they will ask you the permission whether you want to send this file or not. If you uh, tell, if you confirm it that yes, I want to share this file to other, what will happen, it again give you the two options. Either you can send your file through link, or other options that you can send your file through email. Okay, when you send your file through email, you have to give your recipient's address also. What is the recipient's address? That is the receiver's address. And how you can able to give the receiver's address? That is the receiver's mail. Okay, afterwards you can give your receiver's mails and you will share it. Okay, there's at the bottom there is a share button. You select, you click on the share button, that file will be automatically goes to the receiver end. Okay, now there's one more option, you can able to send your files with the help of Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, now the last topic of this chapter, that is logging out of OneDrive. Okay, so as you know that you when you want to do any of the thing, for example, you are inserting the files, or you're uploading the files, or you're sharing the files, for that you have to open your account. Now every work is done. Now what you have to do, you have to sign out that account. It's very important, otherwise some other users can able to use your account. So how you can able to sign out your account, how? So at the top, at the top right corner, you have one option, that is the my account. You click on my account, then you see that at the bottom side, there's one option, that is the sign out. You click on the sign out, your account automatically will be closed and it will go to where, your home page of the OneDrive. Okay, in this way your chapter number 9 explanation is completed. So today's homework is that you have to complete all the work of chapter number 9, which were, that is the filling the blanks, then your true false, then your MCQs, your one word and question answers. Okay, even there's one more diagram in chapter number 9. All you have to do in your fair computer classwork copy. Okay, and be very careful while writing your things about your spellings. That's all for today. Thank you, students.